wanna scroll through the feed all day. I just wanna watch the dust motes play. The Wi-Fi is down, but I'm doing fine. I'm living on a different kind of timeline. It's a Friday afternoon and the world can wait. Unsyncing my calendar, I'm clearing the slate. Let the notifications fade. I'm just drifting away on a hazy, lazy Friday afternoon. My phone is on silent, face down on the rug. I'm wrapped in the warmth of a weighted blanket hug. I could order some takeout or maybe some Thai, but I'd rather just stare at the Toronto sky. You know, they say time is money, but today I'm feeling like a billionaire. I've got nowhere to be. No deliverables due, and my only status update is that I'm currently horizontal on the sofa. So go ahead, leave a message after the beep, or better yet, don't leave one at all. It's a Friday afternoon and the world can wait. Unsyncing my calendar, I'm clearing the slate. Let the notifications fade. I'm just drifting away on a hazy, lazy Friday afternoon. Just drifting. Yeah, the world's on mute and the coffee's cold, but the vibe is gold. Just a modern day dreamer in a vintage style.
Thank you.